my little...
Okay, this is what I love. This is the woman who's been the luggage Nazi. Downsize, 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 downsize. Get rid of that. You don't need that. This is where we are right now.
Oh, and we don't even have the bag upstairs. That's just, can't even be closed. Can't even be closed. Here we go. You gotta have the vision. You should do the side vision. See the side. Here we go.
Do you think there's any chance that that's going to get closed?
If it does, I get an award. Look at that. Look at that.
How much do you love your away bag right now?
I love my away bag. My away bag is awayfulness. We might have problems here, but
I'm going to capture the moment when this thing explodes.
look at that. Look at that, bitch. Look at that.
Now,
Who's the queen?
what's going to happen to those things?
Let's not be judgmental.
Where do those things
There's
go?
plenty of room. Look at that.
Now, on the other hand, look at that.
Look at this.
Yeah, I know. How about that? And that, of course, Kelly.
Judging is not appropriate right now.
Stay tuned. There's more to come. And what's great is I know who's going to be carrying this down the stairs to the car, through the airport,
I'll roll this through the airport.
on the train, off the train, into the Uber, to the hotel, up to the room. Then,
Forget the 85 steps.
no, we haven't gotten to the Airbnb yet. So then we get to the Airbnb and it's up 5 floors to the top of the building. Are you feeling pride? Okay, good job. Thank you, away. Hashtag away. More to come.